Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking and answering a question we get asked a lot. Can woodworking be self-taught? The answer is a resounding yes. Woodworking is a fantastic skill that you can learn and master all on your own. In this video, we'll show you the steps to get started, tips to succeed, and how to turn raw materials into beautiful creations. So let's get our hands on some tools and start crafting. Step 1. Research and study. The first step to self-taught woodworking is research and study. Get your hands on woodworking books, watch tutorials, and browse online resources. Familiarize yourself with the basics of woodworking, various tools, wood types, and safety. Guidelines. Knowledge is power, and understanding the fundamentals will give you a solid foundation. Step 2. Start with simple projects. It's essential to start with simple projects that match your skill level. Consider making a basic wooden box or a simple stool. These projects will help build your confidence and hone your techniques. As you progress, you can take on more complex projects. Step 3. Acquire essential tools. You don't need a full-fledged workshop right away. Begin with some essential woodworking tools like a saw, chisel, hammer, measuring tape, and a plane. These tools will allow you to complete a wide range of projects and improve your skills as you go. Step 4. Practice safety. Safety is of utmost importance in woodworking. Always wear the appropriate safety gear, such as safety glasses, ear protection, and a dust mask. Learn how to use and maintain your tools properly. Safety should always be your top priority. Step 5. Join online woodworking communities. Connecting with other woodworkers is a great way to learn and share experiences. Join online woodworking communities, forums, and social media groups to get valuable insights, tips, and feedback from seasoned craftsmen. Step 6. Experiment and learn from mistakes. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, learn from them, and use that knowledge to improve your skills. Don't be discouraged. Every mistake gets you one step closer to becoming a master woodworker. Step 7. Attend workshops or classes, optional. While self-teaching is entirely possible, attending workshops or classes can provide hands-on instruction and guidance from experienced woodworkers. If the opportunity arises, consider taking a class or workshop to enhance your skills. Conclusion. So there you have it, aspiring woodworkers. Woodworking can absolutely be self-taught. With passion, dedication, and the willingness to learn, you can become a skilled craftsman right from your own workshop. Remember, it's not just about the end product, but the joy of creating something unique with your own hands. So pick up those tools, let your creativity flow, and start your woodworking journey today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting woodworking tips and projects. As always, thank you for joining us, and happy woodworking!